Hi there, sports fans. Today we're going to talk about making contours come alive, to rise out of the paper so we can understand them. And to do so, we're going to be using pieces of glass similar to this, where each piece of glass represents 20 meters. So a rise of 20 meters. So the contour interval is 20 meters, and each time we use the glass, it means that the landscape has risen by 20 meters. So starting straight away, if I had to do that to represent the outside of that one, that to represent the outside of that one, this one to represent the outside of that one, this one to represent that, and so we continue. I should have actually just drawn it for you, but I thought I'll try this to give you the idea of how the landscape can rise out of a map. So every single time we put a piece of glass down, it represents a rise of 20 meters. Now I hope you can identify a couple of things here. The first thing is that the landscape has risen, has come alive. Now interpreting a contour map, the first thing you need to do is identify the high ground. Now I wonder how you're going to do that. For me, it's always looking at the small circles. So if you look at the small circles, that is where the high ground is. Secondly, look at the spacing of the contours. Where the contours are far apart, it indicates that it's a gentle slope. Where the contours are close together, it indicates that it's a steep slope. Because you don't have to go really far in order to drop 20 meters for it to be a steep slope. But if you have to go really far for it to drop 20 meters, then it means it's quite a gentle slope. The last part of interpreting a contour map is by looking at which way the V's point. If they point upslope, I hope you can see the V's. If they're pointing upslope towards higher ground, that indicates it's a valley. But where the V's point towards lower ground, it indicates that it is a spur.